Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and feeling like your energy, drive, or stamina isn't what it used to be, listen closely. There's a simple nighttime drink that not only supports your vitality, but can make your partner notice the difference. This isn't hype, it's basic physiology. When your circulation improves and your hormones stay balanced, everything works better, from your brain to your bedroom. Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and feeling like your energy, stamina, or drive just isn't the same anymore, this might surprise you. The truth is, most men don't lose their spark because of age alone. It's because their circulation, hormones, and recovery slow down silently over time. But the good news, you can bring it back naturally. There's a simple nightly drink that can reignite your energy, improve your blood flow, and make your partner notice the change without a single pill or supplement. And the best part, it's completely natural, safe, and backed by solid science. Now, let's be honest, aging changes everything. Testosterone dips, blood vessels become a little stiffer, and that means oxygen and nutrients don't flow as efficiently as they used to. You may start feeling tired faster, your mood might dip, and you might even notice a difference in your performance, not just at the gym, but also in more intimate moments. That's because circulation is the foundation of male vitality. If your blood flow weakens, your energy, confidence, and stamina follow. But nature has a way of giving back what time takes away. Every night before bed, I want you to try this. Take a glass of warm water, mix it with half a cup of beetroot juice, add a teaspoon of pure honey and a small pinch of cinnamon, stir it well, and drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before sleeping. This combination may sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful natural tonics for men's health. Beets are rich in nitrates, compounds your body converts into nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for opening blood vessels and improving circulation. When your blood vessels expand, oxygen reaches every cell, muscle, and organ more effectively. That includes the most vital areas related to performance and pleasure. Honey, on the other hand, isn't just sweet. It helps regulate hormones, supports testosterone production, and fuels your body with quick, natural energy. And cinnamon, it's a spice that not only improves blood sugar balance, but also stimulates better blood flow. Together, they create a synergy that nourishes your cardiovascular system and reignites your natural vitality. Science backs this up. Studies show that drinking beetroot juice can increase nitric oxide levels by up to 21% within just a few hours. It lowers blood pressure, enhances stamina, and promotes a healthy heart. Many professional athletes even use beet juice for endurance. So imagine what it can do for you when you make it a consistent part of your nighttime routine. Within a week or two, most men start noticing deeper sleep, better morning energy, and stronger responses. Don't think of this as a magic potion. Think of it as a nightly ritual to restore what your body already knows how to do. Pair it with light exercise, proper hydration, and a few minutes of stretching before bed, and you'll begin to feel stronger, more confident, and more connected, both physically and emotionally. This simple drink isn't about age reversal, it's about optimization. When your blood flows better, your mind sharpens, your energy returns, and your confidence rises, and trust me, she'll definitely notice the difference. As men age, something subtle but powerful begins to happen inside the body. And it's not just about getting older, it's about how the systems that once worked effortlessly begin to slow down. Around the age of 40, testosterone starts to decline gradually, but by the time you reach 60, that drop becomes more significant. The body's ability to produce and maintain muscle mass, energy levels, and libido begins to wane. At the same time, blood vessels lose flexibility, meaning that circulation isn't as strong or efficient as it used to be. That's why many men start to feel more tired, less motivated, and even experience changes in mood or performance. But aging doesn't mean weakness. It means your body needs more support to do what it once did naturally. The biggest culprit behind these changes is reduced nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a vital molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and expand, allowing blood to flow freely throughout your body. When you're young, your body produces plenty of it. That's why you recover faster, feel energized, and stay strong. But after 60, nitric oxide levels can fall by more than half. This leads to reduced oxygen delivery, slower metabolism, and yes, weaker responses during moments that matter most. Without proper circulation, even your brain and heart suffer from lower oxygen levels, making you feel fatigued, foggy, and less alert. However, there's good news. And it's one of the most encouraging things men over 60 need to hear. You can restore your nitric oxide levels naturally through simple lifestyle choices and foods that activate your body's own healing chemistry. That's where nature steps in. Beets, leafy greens, pomegranates, and certain herbs have been shown to increase nitric oxide levels dramatically. When you include these in your diet, especially before bed, your blood vessels open up, circulation improves, and your stamina gradually returns. Hormones also play a big role in this picture. As testosterone decreases, your metabolism slows, muscle mass declines, and fat tends to accumulate, particularly around the belly. This belly fat doesn't just sit there. It produces enzymes that further convert testosterone and estrogen, which makes things worse. But improving blood flow, eating antioxidant-rich foods, and sleeping better all help rebalance those hormones naturally. When you sleep deeply, your body repairs tissues, boosts testosterone production, and resets your energy systems. Another silent factor affecting men's vitality after 60 is stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which directly suppress testosterone. When that happens, motivation and drive take a hit. That's why simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even a short walk in the evening are more powerful than most realize. They reduce cortisol, support nitric oxide production, and allow your body to return to balance. So the truth is, men don't lose their strength, confidence, or desire simply because they age. They lose it because circulation weakens, nitric oxide declines, and hormones fall out of balance. But once you understand what's happening inside your body, you can take control again. Your body isn't broken. It just needs the right fuel, rest, and rhythm to thrive again. And when you start restoring your internal chemistry, that spark of energy, confidence, and performance returns naturally and visibly. Here's the part that most men find exciting: the actual nighttime drink that can transform the way you feel and function. This isn't some commercial supplement or expensive powder. It's something you can make right in your kitchen with ingredients that have been proven to boost circulation, restore vitality, and even enhance sleep quality. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective. The formula is this acai mix of warm water, beetroot juice, honey, and a touch of cinnamon. You might already have these in your home, but when combined in the right way and taken before bed, they work synergistically to rejuvenate your body overnight. Let's break down what happens when you drink this blend. Beetroot juice is the main hero here. Beets are naturally rich in nitrates, compounds your body converts into nitric oxide, the very molecule responsible for opening your blood vessels, improving circulation, and enhancing oxygen delivery throughout your entire system. The moment nitric oxide levels rise, your blood starts flowing more efficiently, delivering nutrients and oxygen to muscles, the heart, and yes, even to the reproductive organs. This means improved stamina, better cardiovascular function, and more energy the next morning. For men over 60, this is critical because nitric oxide levels decline with age, and that decline affects both physical and intimate health. As honey brings a different kind of magic, it's not just a natural sweetener. It contains boron, a trace mineral that plays a direct role in testosterone regulation. It also provides natural energy and supports the adrenal glands, which are responsible for managing stress hormones. When you reduce stress and support hormonal balance, your testosterone can work more efficiently, boosting your mood and confidence. Plus, honey promotes better sleep by gently stabilizing blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing those 2 a.m. wake-ups that many men experience. Then there's a sin of cinnamon, the spice of circulation. This warm, aromatic ingredient improves blood sugar balance, fights inflammation, and enhances blood flow. Studies have shown that cinnamon supports vascular health by keeping arteries flexible and responsive. When paired with beetroot and honey, it multiplies the circulation effect, turning your nightly drink into a true vitality elixir. To prepare it, simply warm a glass of water, not too hot, just enough to help the ingredients blend. Add about half a cup of beetroot juice, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir well and drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before going to bed. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice for flavor and to help your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. When taken consistently, this drink does more than just boost blood flow. It helps lower blood pressure, improves heart health, supports liver function, and even enhances digestion. Most men begin to notice a difference within 1 to 2 weeks. Better energy during the day, improved sleep quality, and stronger responses where it counts most. This is not about instant gratification. It's about supporting your body's natural systems to work like they used to. The beauty of this nightly ritual is its simplicity. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure nourishment. It's nature's way of saying that your best years don't have to be behind you. With just 1 glass each night, You can feel renewed, revitalized, and more in control of your vitality than ever before. What makes this drink so powerful isn't just the ingredients, it's the science behind how they work inside your body. Every man who understands the why behind a health routine is more likely to stay consistent, and consistency is exactly what transforms your results. So, let's talk about what really happens when you drink this simple mixture before bed and why it has such a profound effect on energy, stamina, and male vitality. When you consume beetroot juice, your body begins converting its natural nitrates into its nitric oxidase, a molecule that acts like a messenger for your blood vessels. It tells them to relax, expand, and allow blood to flow more freely. Think of nitric oxide as the opener that clears the path for oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to move smoothly through your bloodstream. The more efficiently your blood circulates, the better every organ functions, from your brain to your heart, and even to areas responsible for physical performance. This is exactly why athletes use beetroot juice before competitions. It increases endurance, improves muscle oxygenation, and reduces fatigue. But for men over 60, it does something even more valuable. It restores vitality from within. Research backs this up. Studies published in journals like Hypertension and the Journal of Applied Physiology have shown that beetroot juice can lower blood pressure, enhance oxygen uptake, and boost nitric oxide levels by more than 20% in just a few hours. Over time, this leads to healthier blood vessels, improved cardiovascular function, and more sustained energy throughout the day. That's not just good for your heart, it's good for every part of your body that depends on healthy circulation. But the benefits don't stop there, as honey adds another scientific layer. It's packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of testosterone decline and cellular aging. Oxidative stress happens when there are too many free radicals in your body, damaging your cells and slowing recovery. The antioxidants in honey neutralize those free radicals, keeping your tissues young and responsive. Honey also supports liver health and helps your body metabolize fats more efficiently, which can indirectly boost hormone balance and energy production. Then comes cinnamon, which scientists have found can improve blood vessel elasticity and reduce inflammation. It supports insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps your body use sugar more effectively instead of storing it as fat. This keeps your energy stable and prevents crashes. When your blood sugar and circulation are in harmony, your hormones respond better and your stamina improves naturally. No pills, no artificial boosters. Another fascinating benefit of this combination is how it affects sleep and recovery. Better blood flow and stable hormones mean your body can repair itself more effectively while you sleep. Deep sleep is when testosterone is produced most efficiently and when growth hormone helps repair muscles and tissues. By improving your circulation before bedtime, you're literally fueling your body's recovery system overnight. So while it might sound simple, a glass of beetroot, honey, and cinnamon, the science behind it is profound. You're improving nitric oxide production, lowering oxidative stress, enhancing hormone balance, and supporting your cardiovascular system all at once. This isn't just a bedtime drink, it's a nightly investment in your body's ability to perform, recover, and thrive. Over time, you'll notice the difference not only in your energy and endurance, but in your overall sense of vitality and confidence. To get the full benefit of this natural vitality drink, the way you take it matters just as much as the ingredients themselves. Most people underestimate how timing, consistency, and small habits can completely change their body's response. Drinking this tonic correctly, at the right time, in the right way, ensures your body absorbs and utilizes every nutrient effectively. This isn't a quick fix or a one-time miracle. It's about training your system to heal, repair, and strengthen night after night. Start by preparing your drink about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. This gives your digestive system enough time to process the nutrients without interfering with sleep. Avoid taking it right after a heavy meal because the stomach is busy digesting food and your body won't fully absorb the nitrates and enzymes from the beetroot, honey, and cinnamon. Instead, drink it after your meal has settled a bit. That's when your body can best focus on absorption and blood flow enhancement. The key to seeing real results lies in consistency. You don't drink it once or twice and expect miracles. Your body needs time to rebuild nitric oxide levels, strengthen vessel flexibility, and balance hormones. Most men start noticing visible changes within 10 to 14 days, more energy during the day, better quality sleep, and a stronger morning response. But the real transformation happens after about 3 to 4 weeks when circulation and nitric oxide production stabilize. This is when your energy feels natural again, not forced or fleeting. If you want to maximize results, combine this drink with Var's hydration and light movement. Staying hydrated keeps your blood volume healthy, which helps deliver nutrients more effectively. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, or light yoga can improve circulation and help your body process nitric oxide more efficiently. When you move your muscles, blood vessels expand and become more responsive. Think of it as training your circulatory system to work better. Also, pay attention to your sleep environment. A calm, dark room allows your body to produce melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle. Why is that important? Because melatonin supports the release of growth hormone and testosterone during deep sleep. So when you drink this mix, it doesn't just help you fall asleep, it enhances the quality of your rest, so your body wakes up refreshed and hormonally balanced. One more thing, avoid pairing this drink with alcohol or caffeine at night. Both interfere with nitric oxide synthesis and hormone regulation. Caffeine keeps you alert when your body should be repairing itself, while alcohol disrupts deep sleep cycles. Instead, let this drink be the last thing you consume before bed, almost like a nightly ritual that signals your body it's time to recover and recharge. For added benefit, you can include small tweaks during the day, eat leafy greens like spinach or kale, enjoy a few walnuts for healthy fats, and drink plenty of water. These amplify the effects of your nighttime drink. Over time, your blood pressure can normalize, your energy stabilizes, and you begin to feel younger from the inside out. Remember, this process is about alignment, giving your body what it needs when it needs it most. The beetroot and honey drink before bed isn't just another trend. It's a tool for men to claim their vitality naturally. Take it daily, let it become a part of your routine, and you'll notice your energy, confidence, and strength returning, not in a rush, but steadily and powerfully. The changes will speak for themselves. So if you've been feeling like your spark has faded, your energy isn't what it used to be, or your confidence has quietly slipped away with age, I want you to remember something. It's not over. Your body hasn't given up on you, it's just waiting for the right care to bring it back to life. And it starts with something as simple as one glass before bed. You don't need expensive pills, risky treatments, or complicated diets. You just need to reconnect with your body's natural rhythm and give it what it's been missing: proper circulation, nourishment, and rest. That's what this drink helps restore. When your blood flow improves, everything changes. You think clearer, sleep deeper, move easier, and feel more alive in your skin. That same energy and vitality that once defined you begins to return. It's not about chasing youth. It's about feeling strong, capable, and connected again. Your partner will notice, your confidence will rise, and you'll rediscover that sense of control that might have slipped away over the years. Because true vitality isn't about appearance, it's about presence. It's how you carry yourself, how you feel when you wake up, and how you engage with life. The human body is incredibly resilient. Even after 60, it can rebuild itself when given the right fuel. Every cell in your body is capable of renewal. The combination of beetroot, honey, and cinnamon simply helps your body do what it's meant to do, restore balance. Over time, this routine doesn't just boost your energy, it changes the way your body functions. Your arteries become more flexible, your heart works more efficiently, your testosterone finds its natural rhythm again, and your sleep becomes restorative instead of restless. But beyond the physical benefits, something deeper happens. Your mindset shifts. You start believing in your body again. You start trusting that it can still perform, recover, and thrive. That belief alone changes your daily habits. You move more, eat better, and live with more purpose. That's the power of consistency. The drink may be simple, but the transformation it creates comes from your willingness to take that small step every night and stay committed to it. Every man deserves to feel confident, strong, and capable, no matter his age. And when you start this nightly ritual, you're making a statement that your best days are not behind you, they're right here, waiting to unfold. You don't need to compete with anyone else or prove anything. You just need to care for yourself the way your body deserves. So tonight, make that glass of beetroot, honey, and cinnamon your promise to yourself. Drink it slowly, with intention. Let it remind you that change doesn't happen in a single night. It happens when you decide to start. Within weeks, you'll feel more energy in the morning, more calm at night, and a renewed sense of confidence in every part of your life. Because when you nurture your body gives back in strength, vitality, and passion, and that's something no number can define. Gentlemen, if you've watched this far, it means you care about your health, your confidence, and your vitality, and that's exactly where true change begins. What we talked about today isn't just a drink, it's a natural ritual to help you feel alive again. When your circulation improves, your energy rises, your sleep deepens, and your confidence follows. So tonight, make that small choice for yourself. Try this once and let your body show you what it's capable of, because strength, stamina, and passion don't fade with age, they fade with neglect. Give your body what it needs, and it will thank you every single day.